What if you could automatically collect thousands of property listings and extract all the important details into a clean Excel file? In this video, I'll show you a property data scraper bot that can automatically collect property information such as the address, URL, price, size, latitude, longitude, and even the HTML of each listing. And the best part is that the scraper can be customized based on your specific data requirements. Now let's see how it works. I'm going to start the scraper. As you can see, the bot is running properly and is ready to begin the scraping process. In some cases, the website may show a CAPTCHA. If a CAPTCHA appears, the bot automatically solves the CAPTCHA. Now I need to select the location I want to search. For this demo, I'm searching for a location in New York. I enter the location into the search field and wait for the property results to load. As you can see, the property listings are now available. Now I simply press enter to start the automated scraping process. And now the scraping process has started. The bot is automatically going through the search results and collecting the required property data. It doesn't just collect the information visible on the first listing, it continues working through the results and moves from page to page. If a page contains dynamically loaded content, the bot can also scroll through the page to make sure the required data is loaded before extracting it. Another useful feature is automatic page navigation. Once the scraper finishes collecting the data from the current page, it automatically moves to the next page. You can see that the URL has changed and the scraper is now working on the next set of results. There is no need for me to manually click through every page. The bot handles this automatically and continues until the available results have been processed. Another important feature is customization. The scraper doesn't have to work with only the default search. You can apply filters before running the bot, depending on the type of properties you're looking for. For example, you could target specific locations, prices, property types, sizes, or other available filters. Now the scraper is collecting the individual property details. For each property, it can extract information such as the address, price, size, URL, latitude, longitude, and other available data. It can also save the HTML source of the listing. This can be especially useful when you need additional information from the page later or want to process the raw page data separately. The exact fields can be changed depending on what your project requires. And of course, the data isn't going to remain inside the browser like this. The scraped information can be organized and saved into a clean Excel or CSV file. Each property can have its own row, with the different data fields organized into separate columns. This makes the final data set much easier to search, filter, analyze, and use for future projects. Another useful feature is the HTML folder. The scraper saves the HTML of each property page here. This means we can keep the original page data and extract additional information later without having to scrape the website again. So this was a quick demo of the Zillow Property Data Scraper Bot. This can be useful for real estate research, market analysis, property databases, lead generation, and other data-driven projects. If you need a custom scraper for a specific website, property platform, or data set, we can build and customize the automation according to your requirements. If you're interested, contact us with the website and the data fields you need, and we can discuss the best solution for your project.